I ran into this last week. Here's what fixed it for me. If you're looking to get notifications activated on your Claro 2026, follow these simple steps. Step 1. Open Settings. Navigate to the main menu on your Claro 2026 and select the Settings option. This is where you can manage all your phone's features. Step 2. Go to Notifications. Once in Settings, scroll down and tap on Notifications. This section allows you to control how and when you receive alerts. Step 3. Enable Notifications. In the Notifications menu, find the toggle switch for Enable Notifications. Make sure this is turned on to start receiving alerts. Step 4. Customize Notification Preferences. You can customize which apps can send notifications. Select the apps you want to receive alerts from and adjust their settings accordingly. Quick gotcha: if you don't see an app listed, make sure it is installed and updated. Step 5. Test Notifications. After setting everything up, send a test notification from one of your apps to ensure everything is working correctly. Now you're all set to receive notifications on your Claro 2026. If you run into any issues, just revisit the settings to double check your preferences. Happy connecting!